Hey guys, welcome to Campwood, Texas. Population 517. It's in between Uvalde, Texas, and Rock Springs, Texas, deep down in the hill country. And we're going to show you around town. What do they call this highway, Joni?
I don't know.
Do they call it a number or the name of it?
I don't know. I haven't been here so long. I don't know.
'Cause this goes to Barksdale. You go this
55.
way, and Rock Springs. If you turn around and go
55 is the number.
you go to. So they got, here's the park. I guess they're getting ready for a
Parade today.
parade. Is that today?
It's today.
Good
Or
luck.
This evening.
Good luck with that. Yeah. So that's the park right there to the right. Post office. Bank. By the way, we need to go to the ATM. When you went to school here, how big was your school? Like, how many in your class? Like the class, like the grade.
So, in kindergarten, we had 2 kindergarten classes. And I think we had maybe 20 kids, roughly 20 kids in each class. So there was about 40.
In Campwood, this school is like not just Campwood, it's Barksdale too,
Correct.
right?
It's a consolidated school.
They call it, what do they call this school?
Nueces Canyon.
Nueces Canyon.
Consolidated Independent School District.
So go by the school. These are some of the houses. They're old. Do you recall people who work here, or people live here, where they work? They work the ranches and stuff, and farms and
Ranches,
stuff.
farms.
There's some farms south. You go down to Uvalde area, there's a lot of crop farms down there. Here, you can't grow no crops here. It's just too rocky. But you go down there just a little ways south and the soil gets better. We'll drive by the school and then we'll go by the dam. This right here is the school. This is an elementary school.
This is elementary and middle school. Like
Middle
one
school.
side is elementary, one side is the middle school.
Where's the high school at?
In Barstow.
Oh, it's in Barksdale.
Unless they completely moved middle school up there. Maybe this is all elementary, but whenever I went to school here, you had elementary on one side and middle school on the other.
By the way, ladies and gentlemen, rain is not a big thing. They're getting ready for something. They're lining up. Cars there.
Well, maybe they're doing the parade this morning.
Unless they're doing something else. They're having check-ins right there or something. I don't know. But ladies and gentlemen, it hardly ever rains here. So what you're seeing here is a rare occurrence.
We brought the rain.
We brought the rain, which they needed down here really bad. We'll go drive to Barksdale in case anyone sees this video and says, hey, how close is Barksdale? We'll go down here. As far as, is this one of those towns like everybody knows each other or everybody,
Yes.
and they're like half related?
Yes, everyone knows everyone. If you're not related, then you know.
No, don't come down here and think you're going to keep some secrets. Don't come down here and sit there and says, hey, I'm going to go and get me a girlfriend, a side girlfriend, because word travels fast around here. See, Barksdale is 4 miles away Rock Springs is 29 miles away. If I remember correctly, last time I came to here, they had a speed trap right there in Barksdale, and they pulled people over. And I think it was County Mountie. That rodeo arena over there to the right. How many rodeos they have there? Is that they have anything there or what?
When we used to live here years and years and years ago, over 20 years ago,
looks like it's fairly.
They would have one every once in a while.
Yeah.
During old settlers reunion or stuff like that.
It's not really grown up inside there, so they may still have something there. There's something I guess we should ask. We don't come down here that much, unfortunately. I do like the area. But it's 9 hours away from where we live. So right here at 60 mile an hour, you want to be tempted to go fast through here. But then get right here at this bridge, it turns into 50 mile an hour right here. And last time I came down here, well, I just went driving around, and there was a County Mountie on the. This is a Nueces River right here. There's a County Mountie waiting on the other side. Luckily, he didn't get me; he got someone else. It goes from 50 down to 35 right here. So this is Barksdale right here. We'll go find the high school. Oh, it's right over there. Let's go down here. This is the high school. Is this the front of it right here? Is it the back of it? Where's the front? Right that way. So by the time you got to high school, you were already in Whitney, right?
I was here for the first half of school, first semester of my freshman year.
So this is the high school right here. Do they have football games here?
The football games are held in Campwood.
In Campwood, okay. Is it? Do you remember if it's a regular or is it 6-man?
I cannot tell you that. I don't know.
Yeah, something that someone else can get. I know that football's big everywhere in Texas, but we have 6-man football in the state because we have a lot of small towns that couldn't fill up a 11-man roster. All right, we're going down back to Campwood. All right, they have a dollar store here, a Family Dollar, which is probably the cheapest, anything close to anything cheap. The gas station. Did they have a name of that? The Get and Go? But do y'all have anything else? Any other name for it?
It's always been the Get and Go.
Get and Go, right there. $2.99 gas, which is high. Everything's high in there. They got little Hunt Brothers in there. $2.99. In comparison, I don't know when you guys watch this video, but in comparison, we fueled up at the house around $2.40. So. Yeah, they're high, but this is a little small town out in the middle of nowhere. Just past the Cowboy Hotel back there on the left. That's where we stay at. They're pretty pricey, but it is what it is. You want a place to stay here. I think they have
It's a cute, clean place.
It's very, very clean. It used to not be that way. It had new owners, and they remodeled everything. It's a nice place, so you know, it's clean. We've been in a lot worse, but we usually stay there. They got a lot of Airbnbs around here, but we haven't really stayed in one of those. So we're gonna go drive to the dam. One of my favorite places about this area. This is the dam, Nueces River. They have a little dam right here where they dam up a bunch of water. There's an RV park over here, and you can come down here and go fishing. There's a lot of bass in here, and this water is really clear. You can't really tell today because it's raining and kind of ugly, but during the summertime, this is the place to be. Is it this? There's other places along the river that a lot of people go. They either fish or just swim, cool off, because it gets hot down here. But you can't really tell. But this water is really clear. See, right over here is the dam, right over there, see? And this water is usually pretty clear, and it still is clear. You just can't tell because it's, you know, so cloudy and all. And, you know, you'll see bass and all sorts of other fish down here swimming around. And this is where the river, you can come down here and walk out here. You'll see a lot of people fishing out here. Something you can't really tell. There's a lot of hills. You're in the Texas hill country out here. But since it's so cloudy, kind of hard to tell. This is 55. That way goes to Campwood, and then that way goes out to Uvalde, which is it's about 40 to 50 miles or so, if that far. I don't really know. It feels like it's a long way though. Deer hunting is big here. There's a lot of farmland to the south of here. Ranches are big here. This is a nice area in the hills, just really is. And just a nice small town feeling, obviously, and all that. So anyways, thanks for watching.